Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make a paper aeroplane. First, you fold the paper in half like this. After you done that, unfold it again. Then take these corners and fold it to this line, one by one. Then fold this thing in half. Fold your crease a little bit farther than this triangle, and if you don't, then the plane might get stuck in the air while it's flying. Then take these two corners and fold it to this line. Then take this upside down triangle and then fold it up. This takes care of these two so that the whole thing doesn't break off in the air. Then after you've done that, you should fold it in half like this. When that's done, take this edge over here and fold it to here. Do the same on the other side. And then you're done making a simple sized aeroplane. Thank you for watching.